Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we will take a look at why is ice building up on the floor of the freezer in your side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Ice building up on the floor of the freezer is a very common issue that a lot of our customers have. They typically notice ice on the floor of the freezer section, or have water dripping out from the door seal of the freezer section. The reason why this is happening is because you have a plugged condensing drain. In the freezer section of your fridge, you have an evaporator, and after a period of time, frost builds up on this evaporator coil. This coil will eventually have to be defrosted by a defrost heater, which turns on every 6 to 12 hours. When the evaporator coil starts defrosting, the water drips down a drain tube into a condensate drain pan. Once the water goes into the condensate drain pan, a condenser fan motor blows warm air to evaporate the water, so you never have to empty it. Sometimes the drain tube going down the condensate pan becomes clogged, restricting the water flow. These tubes can become plugged by paper or plastics from packaged food that you've had in your freezer, or sometimes it's caused by lime calcium deposits from water that builds up over a period of time. To fix this issue, you need to remove the evaporator pan cover and use a heat gun or blower dryer around the drain assembly to remove the ice. You should be able to see the round drain assembly. Once you can see the drain assembly, you will need to take a CO2 tank and blow out the drain to make sure that it's clear. Then, pour a glass of hot water down the drain to make sure that it's completely open. Replace your evaporator cover and you should be good as new. Hey, did this video help you? Then go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.